So usually with total solar eclipses, you have to do some traveling. The first solar eclipse I experienced was in Savannah, Georgia, when I was 17 years old. My stepfather sold his soul to the insurance company so that I could rent a car as an underage driver. And I had a special photographic apparatus, and I went to my designated place, and I saw a lot of the partial eclipse as the moon was covering the sun. But what happened is that as the moon covered the sun, the temperature dropped, and the sky eventually filled with clouds, and it was lightly raining while it was total. So I went a long way for no result. I have experienced 5 total solar eclipses. I have seen 3. The first one I saw was in 1981 from a window on the Kuiper Airborne Observatory, a NASA 4-engine jet that carried a 36-inch diameter telescope to altitudes of 45,000 feet. So we were flying 43,000 feet above the Kuril Islands north of Japan. And that eclipse expedition was a complete success. The next one I went to in 1999 in Munich, it rained cats and dogs during totality. But a friend of mine who was 6 miles away, she saw the eclipse through a hole in the clouds. And the one after that, I lived in Hawaii. We had an eclipse in July of 1991. A friend of mine who was a professional opera singer, she and I wrote a comic opera which was performed at the University of Hawaii Hilo. I got a lot of nice photos of the sun from the summit of Mauna Kea. The next one I saw was in Wyoming in 2017. So I look forward to the one near Fredericksburg, and curiously enough, the cycle of eclipses that includes the one that I saw in Japan and the one I experienced in Munich and the one in Wyoming, they're part of a sequence, and a subsequent eclipse in that cycle will occur on my 100th birthday. Okay,